Good morning, everybody, and this is your Forex day trade setups for today. So, as usual, starting off with Euro USD and pretty solid flag that is formed. We are coming back to the bottom end of the flag here. Now, it's only a flag once we start, or validated as a flag once we start breaking above the highs of this week. At the moment, we've got a crossover of the moving averages, and we are dropping below the 155. So it does look like it could just be a if I draw a line along the bottom here with price, there's a flat bottom triangle as well. Anyway, this is just because of the noise in the market. Nobody really knows what to expect, and we've got more data coming out still today and tomorrow. So hold your horses. This can go either way still. If we just drop down to the hour, you can see yesterday was pretty chaotic, but classic, as I said, short off the top here, and you can see all the moving averages. It was just complete chaos if you look at that. So, well, I suppose not 0.36% move, so it's not that big, but you can see healthy upside, healthy downside, barbed wire confusion. For me, we have data, big data tomorrow, so I'm still looking to short. Be looking to short off this area of 108.706, any of these two tails or this tail here, and we are looking for the bottom, which is basically where we are now. So we're looking off there. Definitely don't want to be long. Only time I want to be long is when I start breaking above the highs of yesterday. Moving across to US dollar Japanese yen, this is still a wait and see for me. You can see does look a little differently at the moment. We're coming up to a level of support here, but you know, we are separating at the moment, so this is really looking like it's setting up for another move to the upside, which is very interesting because that would mean dollar strength. Dollar strength means we're going to believe what the Feds are saying about more interest rate hikes, and that we are heading into recession or in a recession. I'm still staying out of this. To be quite honest, it is sideways, it's flat, not really interested in it. So let's just move on to the pound. And don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. I do this every morning. And comment, let us know your feelings. If we look at the British pound Japanese yen, same kind of thing. We're sideways and then we've dropped the downside, but this is a strong uptrend. So I would be looking for an area to buy off. But we drill down to the hour, you can see we're sideways and we're sideways again. So this should be an area to buy off that we're in, but we're going to need to see 1 hour price action here before I look at that. And the concern is, again, we've dropped below all the moving averages, so take that with a pinch of salt. I think I will be sitting on the sides with that pair as well. And lastly, Euro British pound. The move is continuing to the downside, so you should be looking for areas to sell off. And that did happen yesterday. There's nothing really else. We'll have to see on the hour if there's anything that's set up here. Okay, so you can see there's the pin bar off the level. 2 pin bars, nice area. Looking for a short there. You could have taken it there or wait. Take it there, stop up there, 159 points, and you'd still be holding that. Because we are waiting, well, you'd be taking profit. This is the area of profit taking. Anyway, what we want to be doing is looking for a short, and that's the area to be looking for the short. 0.85561 is the area you want to be short, and you're basically targeting this area where we are at the moment, which is 0.85343. Anyway, that's it for me. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.